Namaskar. Good morning, one and all. On behalf of Department of Information Technology, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra, I welcome you all for the FDP on online teaching learning processes using ICT tool for Education 4.0. During the lockdown enforced by Corona pandemic, we received many requests and queries from non IT faculty friends of our college related to online teaching. While preparing the presentation for conducting the FDP for them on Education 4.0, which says education is anytime, anywhere, for anyone. So a thought came in my mind, why not to extend the college level FDP to a national level? I thanks Almighty God Parampita Parmeshwar for giving this idea to us and connecting you with us. Till now, we have received more than 2,500 registration from 25 states across the nation. Also, we have received double digit participation from many of our international friends. Considering the request received from many of us related to the flexibility of timing and considering the technical issue raised by many of you related to the watching videos and demos from rural areas and maybe some cities of urban areas, we have decided to give the flexibility in our FDP. Now you can go through all of our videos related to the presentation and demonstration of free and software tools which are recorded and which will be played through a learning management system, Google Classroom. Timing flexibility is for 12 hours. You can go through our videos from morning 10 a.m. to evening 10 p.m. After going through the video, you have to appear for daily feedback and daily quizzes. You are eligible for getting e-certificate after you have solved all quizzes and all feedback. This is to ensure the active engagement from all of you. We know we are not professionals. This is our try to help you out. Some of you may be knowing better than us, and some of you don't know anything of the FDP contents. We want to bring you on a uniform platform with the simplicity. This FDP is for beginners. You can explore the contents using the links of the free and open source software we are providing to you during the FDP. We are open for your positive comments and suggestions for our improvement. At the last, I wish you best luck for this faculty development program and best luck for becoming a perfect faculty 4.0 in the age of education 4.0. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. At the outset, I welcome and also acknowledge with thanks all the participants across the nation for their overwhelming response. I also appreciate the efforts of Professor Brahme and his team for organizing this Need of the Hour FDP program. During this period of lockdown, I was fortunate enough to read a trilogy written by Dr. Yuval Noah Harari. The first book, titled Sapiens, described the history of humankind since the formation of Earth and life around 4.5 billion years back. Second book, Homo Deus, that is Human Gods, narrates history of tomorrow, where biological sciences and technology together, called bionics, will be used to replace the Homo sapiens by demigods. Last book of the trilogy is 21 Questions for 21st Century, explains the immediate challenges to be faced and the opportunities to be availed. Taking a cue from this trilogy, I am sharing highlights of the humankind journey. Look at the timeline of history. The important milestones are shared with you. The last part, that is future, which comprised of intelligent design becomes the basic principles of life. Homo sapiens is replaced by superhumans. Now here, the role of Industrial Revolution 4 and accordingly the Education 4 will be important. The various industrial revolutions, right from Industrial Revolution 1 to 3. The Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is going to be the combination of several major innovations in the digital technology. Industry 4.0 will be governed by the amalgamations and conglomerations of various technologies around the digital world. Look at the building blocks of Industry 4.0. The various blocks needs to be utilized innovatively and develop the product systems and processes for the betterment of the mankind. 4.0. Keeping in view the developments in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, the education also needs to be changed. From the academic centric, the education has to become a knowledge centric. If you look at Education 1, which started with the memorization, to the Education 4.0, which has to be, or rather which will be, the innovation based. Various methodologies which will be using it for the delivery of the Education 4.0 are listed. Important point to be kept in mind while developing these methodologies is the learning has to be tinkering and experiential type. Now the teachers must be prepared to take the following additional roles: e-learning instructors, subject matter experts, technical writers, instructional designer. Our sincere efforts, our students will be in a position to say the only thing that supports with my learning is my education. Thanking you and best of luck for the program.
Good morning, all of you. I welcome all the participants for this 1 week faculty development program. Our institute, St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, was established in 2004 by Nagpur Pallottine Society, which is carrying out activities in education, health, and social service in 51 countries. Our institute is accredited by NAC with A grade 3.19 score, while 2 of our branches, electrical and computer, are also accredited by NBA. We are running courses in 6 branches of engineering: mechanical, electrical, civil, computer, IT, and electronics and telecommunication, while we have MTech and PhD program in mechanical and MTech program in computer. Our college is recognized at national level among top 35 institutions in the category of clean and green campus. We are known in Central India for our discipline and excellence in academics. We are very much pleased and motivated with your overwhelming response. It is learned that the heads of the institution, principals, director, and members of management, some of them have also enrolled for this particular program, which shows the commitment and futuristic approach by them. I congratulate IT department, particularly the head of the department, Professor Manoj Brahme, for this endeavor and I congratulate all of you for the overwhelming response as well. I think this will go a long way in future. Thank you. All the best.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Taking stock of the situation that obtains in our country due to COVID-19 pandemic, the IT department of St. Vincent Pallotti College came up with a proposal to conduct a week-long faculty development program. Originally, it was designed for the faculty members of our college. But due to the increasing number of requests from schools and colleges for technical support, it was later decided to open up for others as well. But much against all expectations, the response has been overwhelming. More than 2,000 professors and teachers from across the country, and a few even from outside, signed up for the program. Your enthusiastic presence and participation in this program is an indication of the relevance and usefulness of the same. And it couldn't have come at a more appropriate time. We know that the whole world is involved in evolving ways and means, strategies and mechanisms to carry life forward. And in the field of education, teachers, professors, and parents are looking for attending classes, which is not possible physically, at the same time educating their children, and online academic delivery using ICT tools is thought to be the best because it can ensure social distancing, which is said to be the only and most effective way of fighting the pandemic. I congratulate Professor Manoj Brahme, the head of the department, who together with his colleagues, the faculty members of the same department, worked out the details of this program. The IT department of St. Vincent Pallotti College has the required expertise and experience in this field. Almost all of them have been using these tools very effectively for academic delivery in the past. I'm sure all of you will benefit in varying degrees. I'm aware that you come from various backgrounds. Each of you will benefit according to your technical aptitude, and all the more by your application of heart and mind during these coming days. And I wish you a very fruitful time. May God bless all of you and all your endeavors. Thank you.
Dear friends, Namaste. A survey was conducted among over thousands of teachers from across the country and focused on the efficiency of online teaching and learning as well as their comfort level with the technology involved. In that, 22% of teachers have said that they have been using online teaching even before the lockdown period due to COVID-19, and now 76% of teachers have taken to online teaching. So, globally, children are out of the classroom due to COVID 19. As a result, education has changed dramatically with a distinct race to e learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. With this sudden shift across the classroom in many parts of the globe, some are wondering whether the adoption of online learning will continue to persist post pandemic and how such a shift would impact the worldwide education market. While some believe that the unplanned and rapid move to online learning with the poor training, inefficient bandwidth, and little preparation will result in a poor user experience that is unconducive to the sustained growth, whereas others believe that a new hybrid model of education will emerge with significant benefits. Hence, the integration of information technology in education will be further accelerated, and that the online education will eventually become a part or an integral component of the school education. Online teaching and learning entitles not only the intelligent integration and understanding of technology, but also having the right pedagogy and assessment strategies as well. Carefully implemented online learning can make university education more accessible, affordable, interactive, and student oriented. The educators need to be conversant and well adopted with their online tools. I would like to congratulate the Department of Information Technology, St. Wilston Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, for organizing this 1 week online FDP in association with Computer Society of India on online teaching and learning process through using ICT tools for Education 4.0. I had a look at the content. The course is well designed with a content on teaching practice with modern tools, content delivery with animation, creating educational videos, virtual classroom, content management system, data analysis, and AR and VR in education that promotes immersive learning and online exams and certification. So, this would be a successful course which will make every teacher successfully do online teaching. So, best wishes. Thank you very much.
Good morning, friends, and greetings from the Computer Society of India. I am Pradeep Rathi, the Regional Vice President, Region 6 for Maharashtra and Goa. Friends, after the outbreak of coronavirus, the entire world has changed. We can now define pre-corona world and post-corona world. Once the lockdown is over, the world is never going to be the same as before. The world will not go back to normal. The new normal post-corona would be highly dependent on technology and how we socially distance and interact with each other. In the post-corona world, everything has changed and everything will change as to how we educate ourselves, interact with others, and work. With the outbreak of coronavirus, over 90% of the learners world over and 250 million students in India have been impacted. The various governments and educational institutions are now leveraging online platforms to facilitate e-learning and also coming up with solutions like alternative academic calendars to make up for the loss of school hours. Post-corona, public education system will have to heavily rely on use of technology and ensure equal access to learning and administrative efficiency. The entire education system is being forced to recalibrate its actions and delivery channels. Having said that, at CSI, we have taken special efforts to work with our member colleges and student bodies to come up with FDP programs to promote online learning and online education. And it gives me great pleasure to say that in Nagpur region, Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology has taken the lead and has become the flagpole bearer for this initiative of CSI. And I wish them all the best for holding this FDP in conjunction with CSI for the Nagpur region, and which is also being accessed to all the CSI member colleges all India. And I wish them all the best for the same. Thank you.
It's my privilege to present vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all dignitaries of inaugural program. On behalf of Department of Information Technology and our college, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Pradeep Rathi, Vice President, Computer Society of India, Region 6, Maharashtra and Goa, and guest of honor, Dr. P. Maliga, Head and Associate Professor, National Institute for Technical Teachers, Training and Research, Chennai, who gave their precious time to grace the occasion. I take the privilege to thank all the speakers for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. I am delighted to express my sincere gratitude towards Director Father Dr. Paul Chandran Kunal, Principal Dr. S.V. Gole, Vice Principal Professor R.B. Govardhan, and our management for their enormous cooperation and encouragement at every endeavor of the institution. Not the least, I would like to welcome and appreciate all the participants for their huge participation and overwhelming response from the different corners of the nation and abroad. I wish you all happy online teaching learning. Take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.